Hey guys, this is Miss Thompson. Alright, so I'm going to start giving y'all a guided reading book each week that we're home, just like you would get one if you were at school and at my table, okay? So, this book right here that I'm giving you is a level D. You can see it at the bottom, right here, guided reading level D. Okay? So, if I'm sending you this book, that means that you can read this book or should be able to read this book on your own with just needing help with a few of the words, okay? So I'm going to read you the title and I'm going to turn the pages and I want you to read the words. I'm not going to read it for you, okay? So I cannot keep it going for a long time. So what you're going to do is press pause, the two lines that you see, to stop on that page and read the page. And then when you're ready to go to the next page, press play and let it turn to the next page, all right? So remember to use your strategies. We're using our eagle eyes to look at those pictures. Help us see what's in the pictures. See if it helps us figure out those words. Using lips the fish. Get your mouth ready to say the first sound of the word. Are you using stretchy snake? Right? So make sure we're using all of our strategies. Okay, so again, this is level D and it's called Colors in My Closet. Colors in My Closet. All right, guys. I hope you liked your story, Colors in My Closet. I want you to read this every day. This is your guided reading book for the week. Don't forget to go on your picture walk and find the new things that you can find on each page each day. All right? Bye, guys.